Hello guys, welcome back on a technology field. Let's learn and what's be practical in this tutorial. How to terminate or wipe out or erase permanently iCloud activation lock links from any iPhone device above X. So right now this is a one old iPhone's 12 especially that has been locked to owners. We would like to terminate permanently. So see here, what's the reason in it? It has been locked to owners. So locked to owner means, of course, clearly it is linked to an Apple ID and asking enter the Apple ID and password that's were used to set up this device. It means that doesn't reflect that it's your or it's genuine owner you. So how do you terminate? Of course, without doing a jailbreaks, without any hassles, you can terminate it at your home easy with the help of desktop or PC or laptop. So now we have a 3 iDevice management tool that we will have to apply on it, and thereupon smartly we will execute step by step 2-3 crucial steps. And of course this will be a totally a script, and once again we can generate a new Apple ID and password on it. So let's see. First and foremost, of course, we will open iTunes. Let's back to access once again by virtue of iTunes. What are the messages that are coming here? So see, after accessing the data by virtue of iTunes, what it says. This phone is stuck here. Yes, this is also saying that this was lost erased into the Apple ID and password that were used to set up this device. So we don't know how can I access to operate this device. So of course, now let's unlock it. We will open here 3U tool, guys. Now in 3U tool here, now see here on 3U tool, it's connected. Now we will come in the toolbox. In toolbox we have the one crash analysis. Let's delete the inside from this file. Yes, we will go for it. Now once again we will back. 4 files have been deleted successfully. We have done it. Now we will close it. We will come in here smart flash options. We will click on a refresh options. Whatever iOS is the latest one recommended that we will have to download. So this is a 18.1 beta 7. Recently it has been launched. So just we will go for quick flash mode. Before going, just we will come on this website. We will check it out when it was launched. ipsw.beta. Of course we will click on here, and thereupon of course we will scroll up. So we will select the iPhones and latest one as we see right now. If I select the model number, of course we will come here and 7 beta, that was 14 October, guys. So this is the latest one. Directly we can have here, we can download it. Otherwise, if you don't want to download from here, then directly click it. Of course here we have the options to download. Similar, this one I have already downloaded. So here directly we can download, and after downloading do the crash analysis, delete everything. Don't select retain user data, don't select anti-recovery flash mode, it will take a much time, and fix flash does. In the midst of that, if it has been there stuck on iOS or Apple logo or rebooting again and again, any kind of issues, that we will fix here. This one by manually how to reset. So now it's time to open another iDevice management tool, that is Amazing PC. And after come the Amazing PC, just we will here. One thing here I would like to tell you, this one we have already elected here on the green dot, means it has been elected. Now this iTunes is sorry, imagine PC is asking that just we will cancel, and we will let it we have to click on a cancel options. We will click on here and upon here we will have to select the model number. So this is iPhone's 12. Of course we will now we will have to here click on a more options, and we can go for here. Not option is coming, so just we will click on here. Once again we will back and we will close and upon multiple actually phones in a day are having the locking. So of course here this is 13, so we will click here to forget options. Here is the option, so it will be disconnected, guys. Now this has gone. Now once again we will go for close this. Now we can check it out. If I disconnect, it has gone, and if I connect, then it would be highlighted. So finds all apps and application is working quickly. We will come to here, cancel, click on here, and upon now it has been connected. Now here, see, now we will come here. You will have the one options console, so just we will write here. Yes, we will come here. Now see, we have a one options, that is show device console. Finds we will have to pick this one by a searching option. We will have some this ones. Now we will clear this. Now minimum 20 times we will have to clear, the maximum until unless of course it is not coming the whiter screen on your desktops. We will click on here. We will have some this one. Yes, clear. So now see, accumulating till the date of today, 17 October. So of course we will back, and of course once again we will here. Let's have, yes, we will clear. Now see here, it's clear. Backs, and we will clear. So now here once again we can check it out. Come the console, sorry, on iTunes we will come the crash analysis, and we will check it out. There is no file, so I'm sure that now it has been the cleanse. Why we are doing the these both especially both steps, especially one is a console clearing and second is the crash analysis, because wipe out whatever the old data is inside there, and sometimes it's retained, and due to that, yes, when we get especially to have the good configuration while they're skipping the all the things, the Apple server on the basis of Apple database, it is going to connect to an Apple ID, and it will demand you, ask you to enter the Apple ID and password that's were used to shut off this device. So we will have to fix these issues by clearings. Yeah. Here, don't go sign in, don't go for remember password, just click on here, cancel, that's all. Just we will cancel. Sometimes, as we know that if you don't have a good RAM of your computer, then it will maybe give you an error in the midst of that. So approximately 8 GB that should be. Otherwise, see, this has been totally now hanged, and this is asking And we have the already cleared all the console, but however, now see, now a little bit it's taking time. Just let me disconnect, and thereupon of course we will go for the close this app so that now it has gone. Sometimes it will hang you because multiple apps you are using. In that condition you will have the problems. So now here, see, both has been connected, and of course once again we will try to open this imaging PC. Now it has been connected, just let it cancel. We will back, and of course we will, let's cancel here. Show revise console, we will clear now once again. And now it's time to click on REC mode off by virtue of three utils. And now see, whiter screen is totally coming, so we can close this tool. We can close because it's hard to operate. It's taking much more times. Now we have cleared already the console and crash analysis. Now this device has been gone in a DFU to recovery. Now recovery 2 we will have to handle here. Click on a smart flash option. We had already selected, so once again we will select, so we will go for quick flash mode options, and of course we will have it. Don't select the fixed battery during the health, just hit this once and we will check it out. What's the message, what's the error is coming, because it has been raised on a, yes, 16%. Further we will see what's the message is coming. 18%, it's gone. See, during this whole procedure it will take approximately 20 minutes, guys, and sometimes this can be more than 20 minutes, so be sure for it. Now it has been raised on a 34%, and it has been the initiated to remove it. So plus see, we will see the result further. 50% finally we have done, and it will of course jump from 50 to 11%, 10%, 5%. It will start from the 0% also, guys, don't worry. And during this I'm sure the flashing the process, as we know, I'm sure that the device may restart multiple times, so please don't unflash the device, guys. Now almost 50% we have completed and sending the firmware data. So let's see. 3 tool give the quick results, and at your home you can do it. iTunes similar procedure can be rendered by holding a shift key. That's what we would like to show you here. Yes, this computer key, just we will have to, there is a safety key, just you can say that is a shift. Keep holding shift key and the light, especially right mouse key, and you will open a, click on a especially update or restore options, and thereupon you will have the manual option. Directly you can import this IPSW and thus can be rendered. If you are unable to do on here and you are having any kind of the error on it, then of course that's also I will show you. Otherwise if the old one the video is there, then of course this link I will give you in the description box. Don't worry. At your home blindly, don't worry either your device in the stolen mode, lost mode, blacklisted. In its situations you can fix it at your homes. And as a new one, of course, we will show you that how do you generate a new Paladin password on it without any internet connection. So it will be a totally safe one. Don't worry. Almost, guys, we spent here 16 minutes and timer is going on in front of you. So this is not an editorial, especially edited. This is not especially, I mean, edit tutorial. Yes, the live recorded, and of course we will upload on this show. Further, to have any kind of the much more information, then notify these channels. Yes, hit the subscription button and like, subscribe, and share this content because may be useful for someone who is highly inclined to have this kind of the information, guys, by free of course. And they can do it. They can unlock, and they will have a special one. Also, I'm the professions that how to unlock the any kinds of the Apple device, especially either it is a screen passcode, touch passcode, of course, Face ID, any kinds of security that they can better. Now, here there has been the rest of the 6823 step that is a very crucial that we need to execute at the end of this tutorial. So just watch carefully step by step, don't miss anything, guys. Almost it has been the render this whole procedure quickly see on the phone and you can watch it. Almost here is a written especially 68%, but here almost we have done. So directly it will jump from the 68 to 70, 80, 90 or 100 also, but it will notify you to that it has been completed now successfully. It will congrats of course in that you have done. Then of course we will have to step a 2-3 step that we need to execute at the end of. If it is not working, then of course we will use also sales area of this IP address via, of course, as we know that virtual private networks, and of course otherwise we will change the internet connection, and thereupon we will have to good configuration with the help of your database server, and of course we will skip the whole step that we are doing while the purchasing or initial stage of any iPhones, either it is new one or old one. So now we will escape and directly we will try to generate new Paladin password on itself from the device or with the help of laptop or PC. Similar study, this can be rendered by a MacBook also, guys. So if you have the MacBook, then do it also. Yes, these are all tool, iTunes, along with of course the 3U tool or Imaging PC. These all are applicable on a MacBook Air Pro, MacBooks, of course. So either it is a Mac operating system or yes, Windows operating system on Edge. Now see clearly it has given the congratulations, clean flash has been completed. Now let's get up to execute a 2-3, the crucial step that is very important for us. Yes, if you would like to click on, of course, toolbox, and thereupon we will see wait for highlighted batch activations. This is also the feature given especially on this 3U tool, and it's a totally free. So via this feature, now see it has been highlighted, it has been initiated to install. So let's click on here. Simply we'll have to select the all and hit this one and wait for 2 to 5 minutes, guys. Apple server, of course, when a little bit especially get to have the good configuration, directly it will skips in the everything, guys. Don't worry, and it will notify you that especially succeeded. green signs would be generated there, so don't worry. Now it's gatings. As we see, if I especially minimize or maximize, now see here, it's activating the escaping the setup whole procedure. Now as we see here, we will have to wait and watch, guys. Here, don't worry. If any comes from the error will come, then of course we will fix it also. Multiple device in a day we have in the unlocking, guys, so don't worry. Safely, of course, you can unlock it. And if in your device you have the hardware problem, that cannot be fixed here, and because only software issues that can be fixed by virtue of this strategy. Now see, green sign has been given here. Now as we see on this next step, now skipped and activated, everything both has been rendered. Next steps, what is it? Next step is a simple and very crucial. Click on deactivation option. Before going on the deactivation options, we will have to go for true location, and you will have this one and here this one, the reboot. So genuine location will be reflected. Now this device is restarting, guys. Now as we see here, this one is not now see, this has been disconnected and it's restarting. We have done nothing. Now as we see, the phone is restarting, and once again it's going to highlight it. Now as we see, everything. Let me a little bit minimize and files. We will see here now. Let's see. Once again, it has been highlighted, and this one is highlighted. So just we will go for the activation option, and we will have to to select this one. We will hit this one. So it's asking wait for 10 seconds, guys. Friends, we will wait now 5 seconds, 4 seconds, of course 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and let's highlight it. Now it's the activation successfully we have done. Now we will go for backs, and now we will cut it. Once again we will be ready to execute this one, guys. So don't execute here, just we will have to open iTunes now and select the country. Let's access the data by virtue of iTunes. What's the message is coming? Don't connect, especially here internet connection, guys. Now it's accessing a data files. Now nothing message is coming here. Now see, whiter screen is coming on this desktop. Now it's accessing a data once again. Now files, welcome to new ones, especially device. So it has been finally unlocked, and it's automatically, see, it may take a few minutes to activate, and this kind of the messages are coming here. Don't worry, don't do anything. Don't do anything, guys. Here just we will have to disconnect these connections here, these ones, and of course once again let it access the data by virtue of especially iTunes, guys. Let me now see here, it's here, and see if I one thing here I would like to show you. If I disconnect, it's gone, and if I connect, then it's messaging, but here now it has gone and everything. So now see, there is no any, while it was taking a time or moment to activate, directly it jumps from to here. What you say, guys? Nothing happens. There is no enable the logging locations, etc, etc. Nothing is coming. If I see the inside of the settings, there is a totally blanks. Yes, now we can here options, we can sign in the manually, we can use another device to scan, and of course to logging to generator, especially that you have Apple ID. Otherwise if you don't have, then we have a click option here too. but it will not work. So why it's so? Because there is no internet connection. How it will work? If I connect to the Wi-Fi, then it will work. So if you don't want to connect here the Wi-Fi, then simply we will come the account to our sign in, guys. Here we have option create new Apple IDs. So by virtue of iTunes also we can generate. Now this three tools work is not required now. See guys, here easily we can create a new Apple ID and password by virtue of iTunes. What you say? Yes, do apply this step by step and you will be in the expert at home in, guys. Or yes, good technicians to operate the whole things to unlocks. Either it is a screen passcode, either it is a first Face ID, Touch ID, or time screen passcode, or iCloud activation lock links, lock to owner, stolen mode, lost mode, blacklist. In this situation, of course, you can fix by a simple strategy. Now we have a here, we will click sign in don't have, so it will not work. So for it, if you would like to work, you will have to here, yes, connect to the Wi-Fi and the phone. Directly you can generate here new Apple ID password on it. Otherwise, here we can enter the Apple ID, require the password, verification password, and the phone, select the country or region, and you can generate here new Apple ID and password, guys. So how easily you can have, especially easy way you can terminate. This is all about in this video tutorial. If you would like to, of course, generate new Apple ID and password by itself on the tapping this device, then yes, you can log in your Wi-Fi and the phone. Of course you can generate. So this is all about, guys. Everything will be works, don't worry on this device. If you see that a SIM card, or see now everything is working. See if I quick to the text, of course everything, the cameras as well as gallery, there is no any photos, everything is working now, guys. And if I see this beta version, so that if I come the general to software update, so it's checking for update, but there is no internet connection, so it cannot be fixed. So if I about then iOS 18.1, now we can see. This is all about. Furthermore, an inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box. So please will be managed to reply to the query, guys. So thank you very much, and have a great time, guys. And the further main inquiry, of course, blindly have the query below the comment box. If you need a tools, it's totally free. Below the description box, this all is linked there. And to know more information, please subscribe and hit this subscription buttons to have the further notification. So thank you, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.